Allahu la ilaha illa wal hayyul qayyum. You from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh.
How do you make tea? May I see? How do you make the tea?
Bangladesh. Yeah, milk tea. Also, I have iced coffee and hot coffee, cafe. I have a lot of menu here.
Okay.
What's your question?
Okay. How long you have been doing this business? Yeah.
2 years.
Oh, 2 years. In 2024, I will visit.
Oh.
I will visit in Philippines. I will come at your shop, and I wanted to have a cup of tea. So will you make for me?
Okay.
Okay. So
But I'm a little bit of shy of you.
no, it's okay. No need to be shy. It's okay. Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm
Oh.
single.
Okay.
You?
I'm also single. When you will get married?
I don't know. Inshallah soon.
I hope so. You will get a better person for life. That's all I hope. You are a nice person.
Thank you for being a good friend to me.
For sure. Why not? I always just like this. I try to talk with foreigner as a politely. So all the best. When I will come in Philippines, how do you care of me?
I don't know.
You don't know. So
I just asked my parents.
oh.
I just asked my parents because my parents is very strict of me.
Oh, sure,
She don't
definitely.
want to go anywhere. I'm with my shop house only,
Oh,
not go anywhere.
okay. You just move around inside your house and shop. That's all.
Yeah. I have a question.
Oh, what is that? What is
I have a
that?
question.
Okay, for sure. Go ahead.
Where's your mother and father?
I stay with my parents.
Oh, same.
This
Do
city
you pray 5 times a day?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I do 5 times. No way. There's no mercy to live the 5 times prayer in a day as a Muslim.
Oh, really? Me also.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're correct.
Yeah, I am so
Me
happy.
also.
For sure. As a Muslim, we should pray 5 times. Can you recite the Quran little bit? Can you recite this surah? Little word? Please.
Oh,
try.
I'm trying to recite surah.
Normally, just recite 2 verse is enough.
Just listen. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Alhamdulillah. Break your shy. Be brave. You are doing better.
Oh.
I'm happy. You are doing better. You know what? You are doing better. So happy that you are reciting Quran as a Filipino.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu la ilaha illa wal hayyul qayyum. La ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. Man dalladhi yashfa'u indahu illa bi'idnih. Ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum. ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض. I forgot. Sorry.
Perfect. Wow. Mashallah, what a
Oh,
beautiful.
thank you.
I'm so
So,
happy, sister. I'm I'm really so weird,
but
losing
I
my
learned,
word.
but I want to learn more Arabic.
Sure, you will do. You will
I
do.
just study how to I just sta- I just study I just study Arabic, how to read Arabic
Oh,
by Alif Ba Ta Sa Jim Ha Ha,
okay. Alibata. Okay.
like that.
Is there any mosque? Is there any mosque that's near of you? The
Yeah,
mosque.
we have
Uh,
a lot of Muslim here.
oh, okay.
So
Okay.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also, sister. I'm just going to have a breakfast. And
Okay, thank
thank you.
you.
Okay.
Salam.
Okay. Salam, sister. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Assalamualaikum.